Hello friends, I am so delighted to have you back to my channel today. If you are visiting for the first time, my name is Kalisu Soyochi and I make videos on there on how to make money. So guys, in this video, I want to show you how to carry out the ICE testnet. So this video is a step-by-step guide on how you can carry out the ICE testnet on ICE blockchain. It just launched today, so follow my instructions here and successfully do every transaction that you are expected to do on ICE blockchain. So the first thing to do is to visit the ICE official website, which is ice.io. I've also put the link in the description section of this video. So once you visit ice.io on your web browser, remember you are visiting on your web browser, you're not visiting through the ICE app. Alright, you open your web browser and open ice.io. That is where you are conducting the testnet for now. Alright, once you open this website address, it will bring up this interface you can see here. So you have to scroll down a bit, right, and then where you see wallet, click on wallet in order to create. So guys, it will bring up this interface where you are required to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. So here we are going to create a new wallet. So you click on create my wallet. Alright, it says congratulations, your ICE wallet has just been created. Only you control it, okay? So now we are going to click on continue. Alright, and then it's going to give us a 24 words seed phrase, and we are expected to back this up. Remember how this works, right? This is a non-custodial wallet, so you're expected to back it up for your own security. Alright, so after backing up this wallet, this seed phrase rather, after backing up this seed phrase, you're going to click on continue. Right, by backing up, I mean writing it down on paper, or you can save it anywhere. So you click on continue. Alright, here we are required to write some of the words that we just backed up. Okay, here we are ready to go. That's what it says. So you click on view my wallet. Then you click on, you're going to click on receive. You can see that our wallet has been created already. You click on receive. Alright, so you're going to copy this wallet address. Once you click on it, it will be copied automatically. So we are going to head back to the ICE website. Alright, and then you're going to click on faucet, as you can see here. And then you're going to paste the wallet address that you just copied in this address box. Then you are going to click on claim. And then you can see we have successfully sent 10 ICE coins. Please check your wallet for confirmation. So guys, the instruction on the faucet site says that you can claim 10 ICE coins every 24 hours on Testnet network. Alright, so simply enter your ION wallet address, that is ICE Open Network wallet address, and click on claim. Alright, so this is what you are expected to do for now until further updates. So you can go on to carry out these testnet tasks on ICE blockchain, and hopefully something good might come out of it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, share this video, drop your comment and like the video too. See you guys in my next video.